DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a summer clutch from a dollar store placemat. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a summer clutch. You can find these colorful round placemats at any dollar store. Just make sure you buy the right size zipper. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.